Hello children, how are you all? This is Shikha Shrivas and today I am again with you to share a lesson with you, that is lesson number 6 of our English literature, and it's a poem, A Little Green Frog. Yes, I've written the name of the poem here. It is lesson 6, A Little Green Frog. Okay, so it's a short poem. It's just of 8 lines. Yes, so first we'll read the poem, then I'll explain you the poem. Okay. So you all know what is a frog. You all know what's a frog. I hope that you all must have seen a frog. You often find frog in the rainy season. Yes, you find it in the rainy season. It's an animal. It's a small animal, and usually it is found in the rainy season, and it is an amphibian. Now, what do you mean by amphibian? Like, it's an animal that can live in water as well as on land. It has a soft, slim, wet skin. Yes, and there are different kinds of frogs we find in different colors. Yes, there are around 4,000 varieties of frogs. Yes, so, and they are found in all different kinds of color. Now, it's a poem on frog only. So, let's read the poem first. And before I start with the poem, I request all of you to please keep your books in front of you so that when I read and explain the poem, it's easy for you to understand. Okay? A little green frog lives in a pool. It sings and plays in the water cool. The little green frog sings a messy song. It sings and it sings the whole day long. Let's read it again. A little green frog lives in a pool. It sings and plays in the water cool. The little green frog sings a messy song. It sings and it sings the whole day long. So, first we begin with the first stanza. What is given here? A little green frog. So, here in the poem we have a small frog. Yes, it's not a big frog, it's a little frog. Yes, and where it lives? It lives in a pool. What is a pool? Pool is a water body. Yes, it's a small surface that is filled with water. So, this frog, which is there in our poem, it lives in a pool. Okay. It sings and plays in the water cool. So, the pool in which it lives, there it sings and plays the whole day. Yes, and the water in the pool, how is the water in the pool? The water in the pool is very cool. It lives in the cold water. I hope the first stanza is clear to you all. Then we have the second stanza. The little green frog sings a messy song. So now this frog which is there in the pool, what kind of song does it sing? It sings a messy song. Now, what is the meaning of messy? Messy means untidy or dirty. Yes. So, here song is dirty means it doesn't seem good to listen. Yes. It doesn't seem good to listen. So, it's a messy song. Do you like the sound of the frog? No. It's really very irritating. Yes. In the rainy season when the frog croaks, what is the sound made by the frog? It is called as croak. Yes, the frog croaks. So, that sound is not good to listen. Yes, it is really disturbing sound. So, this little frog which lives in the pool, it sings a messy song. Yes, it doesn't sing a good song. It doesn't seem good to listen. It sings and it sings the whole day long. So, throughout the day, this frog keeps on singing the song. Yes, so it is really very irritating to the ears. The voice of the birds, have you heard? Yes, we really like the voice when the birds chirp, when the birds sing. We really like the sound of the birds, but the sound of the frog, it's really very disturbing. So here the poet says that this frog sings a messy song, a dirty song. It doesn't seem good to hear. Yes. So children, this was the poem. I hope that you all have understood the poem very well. Okay. So you have to learn these 8 lines of the poem. Yes. And you have, we'll write it in the copy as well. I'll give you the 4 lines to complete in the copy, but in the exam, as you all know, that we can give the blank in any line. You should be able to complete the poem. So you have to learn all the 8 lines of the poem, okay? Not just the 4 lines that we write in the copy, okay? Now children, just look at the poem once again. Here, can you see some rhyming words? You know what are rhyming words? I had already explained you. Yes? What are rhyming words? The words that have the same ending sound. Yes, the words that have the same ending sound, they are called as rhyming words. So here, which are the rhyming words? Let's see in the poem. We have pool and cool. Yes, these are the 2 rhyming words here. Can you see? Pool, cool. These 2 rhyming words you can see in the poem. Then you can also see one more, that is song, long. Yes, these are the rhyming words in the poem that we can see. So I hope the poem is very clear to you. Yes? Now we have a small exercise based on the understanding of the poem. See the next page. Circle the correct choice. So here you have few statements given to you, and the options are also given. You have to choose the correct option. Yes? Now that you have understood the poem, let's discuss it. The little frog was green or pink in color. So what was the color of the frog in the poem? The color of the frog was green. Yes, we have a little green frog in the poem. Then we have the second one, that is the little frog lived on land or pool. Yes, we have read in the poem that the little frog lives in a pool. So what is the right answer? The right answer is pool. Then we have the third one. The water in the pool was cool or warm. Yes, the water in the pool was cool, not warm. So the right answer is cool. Then we have the next one. The little frog sang or hopped all day. So the little frog, it sang or hopped? It sang, yes? It sang a messy song the whole day. So I hope that all the these circle the correct choice. It is clear to you, yes? Then we have some words here. Read aloud to learn vowel sounds. So here we have some words. We'll just pronounce these words. Okay, you have to pronounce these words after me. Just look into your books. The first one is age. A-G-E, age. What is the second one? Cake. C-A-K-E, cake. Then we have F-A-C-E, face. Face. D-A-T-E, date. Yes? So here, what sound is coming? Which vowel sound is coming? Yes, A. That is, A is a vowel, no? Then we have the next set of words. There we have seed. S-E-E-D, seed. Then we have W-E-E-D, weed. Then we have T-R-E-E, tree. Then we have H-E-E-L, heel. So these set of words, which vowel sound do we notice? We notice that here E vowel sound is coming. Seed, E sound. Yes, weed, E sound. So E is again a vowel. Yes. Then we have the next set of word. F-I-R-E, fire. N-I-N-E, nine. L-I-N-E, line. S-M-I-L-E, smile. So all these words are, do you notice here, I sound is coming. I is again a vowel. So fire, nine, line, smile, I sound is coming. Yes. Then we have the next set of words. S-T-O-N-E, stone. Stone. N-O-S-E, nose, nose. C-L-O-S-E, close, close. Then we have H-O-M-E, home, home. So when we say pronounce these words, which sound comes out? O sound. Yes, O sound is coming. So here we have the sound of which vowel? O. O is a vowel. Then we have the last set of words given here. P-U-L-L, pull. F-U-L-L, full. R-U-L-E-R, ruler, ruler. J-U-N-E, June, June. So here we can say that which vowel sound is coming here? Which vowel sound is coming here? U. Yes, U, A-I-O-U. Yes. So U sound is coming. Pull, full, ruler, June. So A-E-I-O-U are the vowels. So here we have U sound. Yes. So I hope these words are clear to you. Now rest of the exercises we'll do it in the next session, and we'll give you the copy work regarding this lesson in your WhatsApp group. Okay, I hope that the poem is very clear to you. You have to learn this poem daily at your home. You have to write also and practice this poem, as it can come in the exam to complete the lines of the poem. Okay, so thank you children. God bless you.